Let's think a little more deeply into the relationship between average variable cost, marginal cost, and productivity. We'll do a little bit of algebra, not that because we like doing algebra, but because I think it brings out the relationship much more starkly. So, your average variable cost, as we know, is variable cost divided by the quantity. Think about a very simple situation like we discussed earlier. Suppose there is only one input, labor, and the wage rate is given, W. So, as a firm, you can go out to the market and buy as much labor as you like at this particular price W. So, then what is your variable cost? Your variable cost is simply the labor cost. How much is it? Well, it's the amount of labor that you buy times the wage rate, W into L. So, let's then look at average variable cost. Average variable cost is variable cost divided by quantity. Variable cost in turn is just labor cost. So, average variable cost is equal to W into L divided by Q, which I can write as W divided by Q by L. What is Q by L? Well, if you remember when we talked about production, Q by L is output per unit of input, in other words average product. So, then your average variable cost can be written very simply in this very simple case as wage rate divided by the average product. So, therefore, when average product goes up, your average variable cost is going to decrease. As we said, when productivity increases, your average variable cost is going to come down. Conversely, when your productivity declines, when average product decreases, your average variable cost is going to go up. So, productivity and costs are inversely related.